Hi viewers, welcome to vaishipon vaishipon here. In this tutorial I will show you how you will install rehub theme for your affiliate website. First time you have to purchase this theme from themeforest.net, and when you purchase this theme you will get this link on your account, a download link. Okay, I am downloading this one. All files and documentation, installable WordPress file only, license certificate and purchase code PDF format, license certificate and purchase code text format. Okay, I am downloading this one, installable WordPress file only, and it's downloading. Download complete, and we have to download this one, license certificate and purchase code text. We need this one. I am clicking here, and in this text file you will get a license code. You have to give your license code on theme option to activate your rehub theme. Okay, I am going to WordPress admin panel. I have already logged into my WordPress admin panel. Suppose I want to upload the theme, that's why I have to go here, appearance themes, and add new upload theme, and we have to browse the file here which is already downloaded by us. I am clicking here, and this is our file, theme file. Okay, I am selecting this file and open. Install now, and done. Theme installed successfully. Activate. Now we have to activate this theme, and that's why we have to give here registration ThemeForest username and ThemeForest purchase code. Okay, I am giving this information, but I am hiding this option, and we have to click here submit button, and see here, welcome to rehub theme, registration complete. You have full access to theme data now, and from here we can click on support and tips. Here you will get all kinds of support. You will get video tutorials, documentation, advanced tutorials, submit a ticket. You can submit a ticket for your problems, or you can ask for a letter. And if we go here, plugins, you will get plugins from here which will helpful for your better web design. And first time we have to click here. You know very well, when you are installing a theme, maximum theme requires some extra plugins, and here is requires these plugins: content, easy, one click demo import. Okay, I am clicking here begin installing plugins, select all and install. All installation complete. Now we can click here, and we have to activate this plugin. Click and click on activate, apply, and done. Now if I go to demo import, I will get all these demos, and this one is blog type, website format. I think this one is perfect for my affiliate blog, ClickBank affiliate blog, or any kinds of affiliate blog. Okay, suppose I need this design, a remug. I will install this one, a demo. I will install remug demo. Okay, I am clicking here import, and see here is two problem. Number one is body press not active, and RH Frontend Publishing Pro not active. Okay, I am clicking here install now. I am searching here body press, and this one install and active. Done. Body press is installed and active. Okay, now we have to fix this option, RH Frontend Publishing Pro not active. Install plugin. Okay, I am installing this one, RH Frontend Posting. Now if I go to plugins, add new upload file, this one, browse and paste here, install and activate plugin. Now if I refresh the demo option, and again if I click here import demo data, and now all are active. Elementor active, body press active, RH Frontend Publishing Pro active, content easy active. Okay, yes, import, and the files are importing. You have to wait here for some time. Okay, our demo installation complete. Now we can easily redesign this site with our Elementor plugin and WordPress automatic plugin for any kinds of affiliate website, for Amazon, for ClickBank, and some other affiliate marketplace. So I think now you know very well how you will install a rehub theme and how you will import demo data for rehub theme for your website. Finally, if you like my tutorials, please subscribe my channel, like and share with your friends. Thank you.